Roblox lets you use emojis in chat to make conversations more fun and expressive. Whether you're chatting in game or in a private messages, using emojis is easy on PC. Here's a complete guide on how to use them. First, you need to go to the official Roblox website and log into your account. Then you need to go ahead and join any game that you want to play. For now, let's go to Dress to Impress. Now, once the game is opened, you need to go ahead and tap on the chat menu in the top left-hand side of the screen. You can also open this chat box by pressing slash or enter. Now type colon followed by an emoji code, for example, smile, and you will see the list of different emojis that you can go for. Let's go ahead and tap on the smile cat option, and you can now send the emoji in the chat. Remember that not all emojis may appear correctly in every game. Some older games may not support them. So combine emojis with text to make fun chat messages. You can also use online emoji copy-paste tools if your keyboard does not have an emoji menu. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.